10 ways to become a successful person with simple habits. Simple steps can help you become a successful person. The habit is carried out regularly until it produces something big. Simple steps can be taken to become a successful person. Even so, achieving success requires a different process and time for everyone. Achieving success and achieving goals is not like turning the palm of your hand. There are various processes and obstacles that everyone has to face. Here are the steps you can take to become successful. How to become a successful and wealthy person. To become a successful and wealthy person, it is necessary to start with habits. Thomas C. Corley's research discovered the habit of being successful and wealthy. Corley was a financial planner who spent 5 years studying millionaires. He found a strategy to be successful through the general stuff. For example, watching television corresponds to the appropriate stock investment. Corley discovered the week's habits through research. According to the book Rich Habits, The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals, here are the habits and ways to become successful and wealthy. Number 1. Create plans and goals. Making a list of daily, weekly, and monthly plans plays a role in success. According to Corley, as many as 95% of ordinary working people do not have a long-term plan. Though these plans and goals are needed for the challenges ahead. Number 2. More revenue. A census study in the United States found as many as 8.8% of women and 8% of men had 2 or more jobs. Corley found as many as 65% of people have 3 different sources of income. This income source will help pay bills, health, and emergencies. Number 3. Not wasteful. A simple way to be successful and wealthy is to save. Income costs and a non-wasteful lifestyle are a solution to save money. In addition, income can be saved for emergency fund needs. Number 4. Avoiding bad relationships. Corley found only 4% of low-income people associate with successful people. Whereas successful friends need a positive boost. If you want to succeed, find friends and colleagues who can help you change positively. Number 5. Reduce negative self-talk habits. Self-talk or talking to yourself can have a psychological impact. Examples of negative self-talk are complaining and being pessimistic about yourself. According to Corley, one needs to master negative thoughts to be transformed positively. If you fail, there is still another chance to change. These negative thoughts are like computer programs. You have to change this thinking and be sure to get out of bad habits. Number 6. Healthy lifestyle. Maintaining health and finances needs to be done side by side. You can eat less fast food, exercise, and regularly read books. Various exciting readings can be read through books or the internet. Another way to become a successful person is by exercising regularly. These efforts are believed to help increase the body's resistance and the brain to work optimally. Quoting from MoneyCrashers.com, the rich value their health very much. Corley found 57% of wealthy people calculated caloric intake per day, in contrast to 5% of ordinary people. Moreover, Corley found 70% of wealthy people ate less than 300 calories of fast food, while the presentation of fast food by ordinary people reaches 97%. There are various reasons why wealthy people count what they eat. Some people want a long life and the opportunity to make more money. Number 7. Get up early. Thomas Corley found 44% of wealthy people wake up 3 hours before work. This percentage is more than those who get up early by 3%. Number 8. Regular exercise. Healthy food, a healthy lifestyle, and exercise help a person to succeed. In fact, 76% of wealthy people do aerobics at least 4 days per week. Number 9. Time is money. The way to become a successful person at a young age is to understand at a young age. Think of time as money to achieve goals. In addition to writing a daily list, you must waste time on useless things. Rich people consider weekly, monthly to yearly income. They also focus on what is made every hour, and a lot of money is not made. Number 10. Know when to stop working. Successful people know when it's time to stop working. They understand the need for self-improvement and relaxation. The existence of daily planning helps you to manage time. This includes understanding when to take a break and when to start planning for tomorrow.